If you are over 50 and still doing squats to build your glutes, stop. Watch this first. Not because squats are bad, they are not. But after 50, your hips move differently. Your lower back takes more load than it did before. And your knees, especially if you have had any pain or old injury, are under much more pressure during a deep squat than you think. Your glutes are the biggest and most powerful muscles in your whole body, and they matter more now than they ever did before. In this video, I'm going to show you the 3 best exercises for building strong glutes after 50. No deep squats, no heavy lifting, no pain. Just simple movements that actually work for your body right now. Stay till the end, because exercise number 3 is the one most people never do, and it might be the most important one of all. Welcome back to Fitness to Go, where we break down fitness and health into simple steps anyone can follow. If you are new here, please subscribe and press the bell so you never miss a video. Now let me quickly explain why your glutes need special attention after 50. Because once you understand this, everything else makes sense. Why your glutes stop working after 50. Your glutes are made up of 3 muscles. The gluteus maximus, which is the big back muscle, the gluteus medius on the side of your hip, and the gluteus minimus, which is the smallest and deepest one. Together they control how you walk, balance, and move every single day. After 50, research shows that the signal your brain sends to your glutes gets weaker. In simple words, your glutes stop switching on by themselves when you need them. There is a name for this in sports medicine. It is called gluteal amnesia. Your glutes forget how to work, and when they stop working, your lower back and your knees take over. That is where most of the pain and stiffness people feel after 50 actually comes from. The good news is these 3 exercises are proven to switch your glutes back on and build them stronger than squats ever could. Now let's get into it. The 3 exercises. Exercise 1, Glute Bridge. This is the best starting exercise for your glutes after 50. It works the big glute muscle directly. No pressure on your knees, no load on your spine, just clean, safe glute work. Lie flat on your back on the floor or a mat, feet flat, hip width apart. Your heels should be close enough that you could almost touch them with your fingers. Arms flat at your sides. Now before you lift, gently press your lower back down toward the floor. This is the step most people skip. It switches your glutes on and keeps your back safe. Breathe in, then breathe out and push through your heels to lift your hips up. Squeeze your glutes as you lift. Not your back, not your legs, your glutes. Lift until your body makes one straight line from your knees to your shoulders. Hold and squeeze hard for 2 full seconds at the top. Then lower slowly, count 3 seconds down. Do not let your hips drop fast. Why is this better than a squat? In a squat, your quads and hip muscles all share the work. In a glute bridge, the movement goes straight through your glute muscle. Studies show 20 to 30% more glute activation in a bridge than in a bodyweight squat. Do 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Rest for 60 seconds between sets. When it starts feeling easy, put a resistance band just above your knees for more challenge. Exercise 2, hip thrust with sofa or bench. If the glute bridge is the starting point, the hip thrust is the next step up. This is the single best glute exercise on the planet, proven by research at every age. Sit on the floor with your upper back resting against your sofa, a low bench, or a strong chair. Place a folded towel across your hips to make it more comfortable. Feet flat on the floor, hip width apart, knees bent. Breathe in. Then breathe out and push your hips straight up by squeezing your glutes. Do not arch your lower back. Do not push your chest up. Think about pushing your hips up toward the ceiling. If you feel it in your spine, tuck your hips slightly and try again. At the top, your lower legs should be straight up and down. Look straight ahead, not up at the ceiling. Hold for 1 to 2 seconds at the top. Lower slowly back down. Do not let your hips rest on the floor between reps. Keep your glutes working the whole time. Research has shown that the hip thrust produces nearly double the glute muscle activation compared to a back squat. And the best part is that there is 0 pressure on your spine during this exercise. Your back stays neutral and safe the whole time. Start with just your body weight. When that feels easy, place a light dumbbell or a heavy book across your hips for added resistance. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Rest for 90 seconds between sets. Exercise 3, Lateral Band Walk. This is the exercise almost nobody talks about, but it might be the most important one on this list for people over 50. The lateral band walk works the gluteus medius, the muscle on the outer side of your hip. Here is why this matters so much. Your outer hip muscle is the one that keeps your pelvis steady when you walk. When this muscle is weak, every step you take causes a small tilt on the other side of your hip. Over thousands of steps every day, this puts uneven pressure on your knees and your lower back. This is one of the most common causes of knee pain and back pain in people over 50, and most people never fix it because they never train this specific muscle. Place a light resistance band around your ankles or just above your knees. Stand with your feet hip width apart. Bend your knees slightly. Push your hips back just a little like you are about to sit in a chair, but not all the way down. Now step sideways. Keep the band tight the whole time. Do not let your feet come all the way together. Keep your body upright and your steps slow and in control. Take 10 to 15 steps in one direction, then walk back the same way. That is one set. You should feel a burn on the outer edge of your hip, not your lower back, not your inner leg. If you feel it in the wrong place, slow down and use a lighter band. Do 3 sets of 10 to 15 steps in each direction. Rest between sets. Your complete routine. Here is your full routine at a glance. Exercise 1. Glute Bridge. 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Rest 60 seconds. Exercise 2. Hip thrust with sofa. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Rest 90 seconds. Exercise 3. Lateral Band Walk. 3 sets of 10 to 15 steps each way. Rest 60 seconds. Total time including rest is around 20 to 25 minutes. Do this 2 to 3 times a week. Always take at least 1 rest day between sessions. You do not need a gym. You do not need expensive equipment. Everything in this routine can be done at home with just a mat and a resistance band. Call to action. A lot of people over 50 have been told or have quietly started to believe that pain and weakness are just part of getting older, that the aches are normal, that there is nothing they can do about it. That is not true. Research is very clear. Your muscles can still get stronger at any age with the right exercises. Your glutes can still fire properly. Your lower back and knees can stop hurting. It just takes the right approach for where your body is right now. This is not about how your body looks. This is about walking without pain, getting up from a chair easily, living in a body that feels strong. And that is something every person over 50 deserves. Start with exercise 1 today. Even just 1 set. That is enough to begin. Drop a comment below and tell us, which exercise are you going to try first? We read every single comment and we would love to hear from you. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps this channel grow so we can keep making amazing videos like this every week. And if you are not yet subscribed to Fitness to Go, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a video. Thank you so much for watching. Train smart, stay strong. We will see you in the next one.